guys, and in today's video, let's take a look at official accessory from GoPro that's called USB Pass-Through Door. And this accessory gonna allow you to connect your GoPro camera to a power bank or other external power supply with your battery door still on. And it's gonna protect your camera from moisture, dirt and other debris. So this accessory gonna be simply a must-have if you love recording time-lapses with your GoPro, especially over a long period of time. Or maybe you want to use your GoPro as a dashcam recording the road or a time warp of your travel. But this accessory can also be used if you use your GoPro as a webcam or live stream with it. Okay, so inside of this package we have a battery door with a USB pass-through cutout and a USB-C charging cable that's around 4.5 feet long. Okay, so what's so special about this battery door from GoPro? Every single battery door from other brands have one thing in common, that they all have that big opening for the cable to get in and connect with the USB port. But the problem is that this USB-C port is exposed to humidity, dirt and other debris. In other words, you can easily damage the inside of your camera. What's more, battery doors such as this one don't have that waterproof seal on the outside, so it's not gonna protect your battery compartment from the water to get in. And notice also that the cable is hanging loosely, and this puts a lot of unnecessary tension and weight on that USB-C port. Now, with a GoPro product, it's a completely different story because this one has a weather-resistant seal all around the battery door. And at the very bottom, it has a small cutout for the USB-C cable to barely go through it. Probably it's hard to see, but it feels like there is a small membrane around the whole port, so this should make a really tight seal. And of course, it's not going to be waterproof by any means, but that should protect your camera from humidity so you can leave it for entire night recording a sunrise or stars without the worry that your camera might get damaged. I even think that it's going to be protected from a light drizzle, so you can set it up for a few good hours or even a whole night and it's gonna be fine. The USB-C charging cable that's included in the package is around 4.5 feet long, which is really convenient because it's so much longer than the one you got with your camera. For example, you can set up your camera on your bigger tripod and leave a power bank in your bag just on the ground. And if you take a closer look at the bottom of this battery door, you can notice that there is this small loophole. So you can take your USB-C charging cable and wrap it around it so you will not put unnecessary restraint and tension on that USB-C charging port. And if you decide to use your GoPro as a dashcam, this cable gonna be long enough to connect it to your car USB. Or if you don't have it, you can still connect it to your power bank and record the road as you travel, but you can also use that extended cable when you set up your GoPro as a webcam, so it doesn't have to be that close to your computer and it's really convenient. And the best part about it is that once you disconnect that cable from your camera, your battery is fully charged and is ready to shoot again. So what else do you need? So in other words, even if you are not going to record extended time lapses with it, this accessory can still come in handy because you don't have to carry with you so many batteries. Besides, you can remove a battery from your camera and record without it. So your camera won't overheat that fast, and for some people this thing can be a game changer. Okay guys, so this accessory is compatible with GoPro Hero 9 Black and Hero 10 Black as well. And it costs around $19, but if you are a GoPro subscriber, you can have like 30% off, so I think it's totally worth it. Okay guys, so what do you think about this product? I honestly think that it's gonna be really useful for a lot of people. Anyway guys, for today's video, that's it. I hope that you liked it and you enjoyed it and you learned something from it. And if you did, then all I can ask you is to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash the notification button so you don't miss some of future content, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!